Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust, if you're not forward from Kingmixup, it's not credible and you already know the deal, my peeps. Me there yourself for telling me what I go on for not to go on, you see me? So, obviously, when I get the news, a chronic law get locked up on the fit. This is my say, that day we one rise and tour show, and you know, after I'm done perform, the cops them just locked him up. You see my say. When you look at the agency that, you know, the Broward Sheriff them is holding him for us, for the U.S. Marshals. So, you know, it's kind of like, you know, a federal hold, you know. It seems like he has an immigration issue, even though we think, say, that Blam Blam, Rising King and the rest of them, man, they must snitch on each other, you see what I say. But whatever, it's a U.S. agency hold, so me know that him get locked up the other day by ICE. He's not in ICE right now. Right, we've been checking, but we don't see him name, but we know him get locked up in ICE where they and got bonded out. No, typically when you go in front of an immigration bond and you have convictions and all of these things, sometimes you give them a story and sometimes they believe it and give you a lie and say, you know what, you can come back to court in 30 days. This man says since you have to deal with things. But when you don't come back, them just send out a warrant for you. Right? So Chronic Law might be on his way home after deportation. No, his publicist or whoever manager come out and I say, I lie the people in my time. Right? I lie or not, tell him never get locked up for gun and it's not that serious, and the bloggers them should stop from saying them things. But you can't wrong the blogger them for say it because if the police say you get locked up for firearm possession, isn't it? I mean, not lie, Chronic Law, the people said this is the first time you reach them page. You see my answer? So it is a big deal, yes, because you know when these people get locked up, you know, these Facebook pages or whatever, them post it up. But them say Chronic Law is the first one. So they said someone allegedly wanted by the U.S. Marshal is accused of possessing some FIR thing. Firearm, okay, yeah. Right? And you know, say, illegal immigrants are not allowed to possess no firearms. You feel me? Boy, oh boy. So like I said, them said the feds, them flag him. You know what I mean? I put a hold on him. So I don't know if he was in a music video showing guns, which you're not allowed to do if you're an immigrant like Squash. But yeah, it's a lot of trouble for Chronic Law, even though people say it's not. This is my say. But me just still give you that quick update while I go on for not to go on. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.
Dancehall, one but the war of the king. If I dancehall, but we never believe us. I don't know if you do hear me. I'm forward from unruly property, one of them. So, them not left. Johnny sick in a part. Right for winning for life.